Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You have a 7-inch 45 and a suitable adapter. Start now. Remove dust and secure the tone arm to prevent crashes. Take the adapter that matches your turntable, snap-on for large spindles or the insert type for recess centers, and press it gently onto the spindle until it clicks. Once done, place the record over the adapter, making sure it sits flat and centered. You're reducing wobble and ensuring accurate tracking before you lower the stylus. This initial placement prevents damage and warping during playback. Now focus on how you bring the needle to the groove. Release the tone arm lock and use the cueing lever to lower the cartridge slowly. You prevent bouncing and groove wear this way. Make sure the record sits perfectly level on the adapter. If the stylus tilts, adjust the vertical tracking angle and anti-skate slightly. Once the needle is down, listen for consistent sound. If the pitch wavers, double-check the 33/45 speed selector and belt tension to confirm proper rotation and stable playback. To finish, lift the tone arm with the cueing lever and return it to its rest before removing the record to avoid slipping. Store the 7-inch sleeve vertically to prevent warping, and wipe the adapter and spindle with a soft cloth to remove debris that causes imbalance. If you notice wobble or skips, stop and reseat the adapter, ensuring it's fully seated on the spindle. If wobble persists, inspect the spindle diameter and try a different adapter type. That single fix solves most playback problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.